Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today I did a model of the 4-point bending test of a rubberized concrete beam with inside hole. We use, let me to check it with this. We used green composite as a reinforcement, as a pipe inside the concrete, also the steel reinforcement, strips and bars, steel strips and bars inside the rubberized concrete. If I click on this, you can see this is the plastic string equivalent. If I click on animate, you can see the deformation. We use dynamic step to consider the dynamic bending and failure. Okay, and this is the plastic string, tension damage or tensile damage. It is happened here, you can see here. If I click on the stiffness degradation, these are the results for the concrete, rubberized concrete. This is the rubberized concrete material, and if I request remove the concrete and this, you can see the steel reinforcement and the composite, green composite material, the bamboo fiber with polylactic acid, and the stress, the hashing damage. You can see that the damage, compressive damage for matrix, tension damage for matrix, and then the stress or everything. And also we can draw the reaction force, save, sum, and plot. This is the reaction force, and if I click here on average, this is the displacement. And now we can draw the the force displacement diagram. You can see this is the force display, and this is the maximum force capacity for this 0.25 meganewton, and after that we have decrease in the force capacity. It means the beam is failed. Okay, so if you need, you can get any other result from this simulation, like other diagrams or other field outputs like plastic string, and this is for the steel rebars. So if you need this tutorial, if you need to model rubberized concrete or green composite bending, dynamic bending test, you can come to our website www.abaqusfem.com, find the English tutorial here. This is the tutorial, click on this, and then you will have short explanation about the geometries, assembly, material model process, and then the result as figures here. The cost for this tutorial containing CAE INP English video file and a reference paper for the material is 26 euros. You can use a PayPal account, Visa or MasterCard for the payment. Before that, send me an email to this address. Thank you for attention.